So we ended up here. Watch the episode and you'll find out. Welcome in Monschau, one of the most beautiful towns in Germany, hidden in the Eifel hills.
It's close to the Belgian border, and Monschau looks like a place from a fairy tale. It's narrow streets, it's got timber-framed houses, the Rur River is cutting through, and it's got a castle watching over all of it.
Today we're walking through the city, discovering the history and tasting a local meal with one of the very famous ingredients.
Monschau mustard.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Unlike many historic towns in Europe, it escaped much of the destruction of the Second World War, leaving its medieval center beautifully preserved.
The town began to grow in the 13th century beneath the castle built by the Dukes of Limburg, while the River Rur powered mills that made Monschau a thriving centre for the wool and textile trade.
Today, its narrow streets are lined with the independent shops, traditional cafes and historic buildings, giving the town its unique and timeless charm.
We've got
There
bells.
are the bells again. You put the camera on and the bells go.
Yeah.
But the Rur River gives really some atmosphere.
It does, because wherever you are in Monschau, you can hear it. I mean, we're here now really quite close to it, and this is... I hope you can hear it too. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Yeah, really, really stunning.
I like it.
I do.
Monschau became especially important because of the cloth trade. In the 18th century, they started to make a lot of money, and the wealthy people, the wealthy cloth makers, started to build very impressive houses here.
The most famous example is the house behind us, which is the Red House, or Roter's house. It belonged to the Scheibler family. They're one of the most famous cloth merchants in Monschau. And inside, you can go inside, it shows how our wealthy cloth merchants lived in the 18th and 19th century.
Okay, here we go. Stairs again. That's the story of a life.
It is. Oh. Yeah, but it's over there. Oh, just a minute, there's a castle.
Yeah, but that's back down.
So it's the ruins and the castle.
I think they're both separate things. Honestly, that's what I told you. Said, well, could it be?
Yeah, that's
There
right.
are two things.
There's two things, isn't there?
I thought you did research. Everything you looked up, you did research and didn't use internet.
Not ChatGPT. I'm looking where we are on Google Maps. This.
She really does look it up, and I do it also. Of
You
course.
do, both you do. So this is what? I don't really know what this is. Oh,
Ah,
there
here it
yeah.
is.
Historic Senfmühle, Monschau. So it's a mill.
Ah, that's the mill.
Maybe the old mill.
The old mill. Yeah. Yeah, that will be
Maybe.
it.
Is it? Is that where we are?
Yeah, it's just next.
No, it isn't. No,
Okay.
there's our dot.
No, I thought it wasn't.
No.
Just let her do her thing.
Just a minute. We're in Halle Ruin. Halle Ruin. So what is Halle Ruin? Rest of an old tower on the hill beside Monschau. An old tower of what? Thing is, now I'm much better at climbing up, but sometimes going down, especially if it's a bit.
Yeah, but we probably can
Go
get
careful.
another way down. How do I drink this? How muss ich das trinken? Okay. No, nicht mit the...
Not with the...
No. Oh, then I showed you wrong. Because I let you drink it with the wooden thing. Do you remember?
Yes! Yeah, you have
So
to be
it's not-
holding it like
It's
that.
not meant to be. One of Belgium's most famous beers is Pauwel Kwak, a rich amber ale with a fascinating story.
Legend says it was created by the 18th century brewer Pauwel Kwak for coach drivers, who weren't allowed to leave their horse and carriage. He designed the iconic bulb-shaped glass to fit into a wooden holder attached to the carriage.
Whether the story is entirely true or not, the unique glass has become just as famous as the beer itself.
Mason, Marion, muck, but muck in English is like dirt, isn't it?
Yeah. Maison, Mary.
The house of Marion dirt.
Thank you.
Oh, lovely. Oh, nice.
Voila. Looks nice. Thank you.
This is the mustard sauce.
Yeah.
Curious what this is going to be like.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Ooh, it's really good.
Oh, that's lovely.
It's not that strong then, like Dijon mustard, for example.
Oh, it makes a really nice sauce.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
Very nice. Not really clear.
What does it mean?
We'll take a look, because there you have those signs.
These houses are really high.
Yeah, it's maybe us, but we find it very difficult to find the castle or the way to the castle.
Yes. Yeah, but it's not the signs, but it's
Not very
a
clear.
little bit awkward.
It's just beautiful, huh?
It is, isn't it?
It is, huh?
It's really gorgeous. Just a minute. This is saying go down here or not?
No, that's good. Oh, look at this.
Oh!
Oh, that's interesting. That's how they do it.
It's there.
Come on.
Paying for...
Get on with it.
Get on with it. Paying for what?
No
2
pain.
minutes.
No pain, no
And
gain.
then with, yeah.
If you see, guys, how we struggle all to make this video, just do us a favor. Like and subscribe.
Oh, you can drive up here.
So we came from over there,
Yeah. Down,
down, and then up
then
here.
through the town here.
Yeah.
So above the town stands Monschau Castle, and we're here now. So the history of Monschau, it goes back to the Middle Ages, and with the castle connected to the town's early development. And from here you really understand why this location mattered, because it controlled the valley, the river and the routes through the Eifel. And the castle has seen different rulers, conflict and change. But today it gives us one of the best views over Monschau, doesn't it? Oh, we could go in here.
So a few years ago we ended up in jail in Rome, and now again, my God. And while we try to conquer the castle, we say goodbye.
We hope you've enjoyed this visit to Monschau, because we really have, haven't we?
Yeah, it was really nice, huh? Yeah, it's a beautiful city, a lot to see.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's.
Yeah, just take your time, have a slow walk round, but come with walking shoes.
That's necessary, because you have to climb.
You have to climb if you want to see the views in this valley.
Yeah. But anyway, we see you in 2 weeks.
Yes, and if you've enjoyed this video and you would like to see what else we do, please like
and subscribe.